How to delete your all-time Google Chrome history. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. The first step is to open up Google Chrome. And now there's two ways to go and delete your history. The first method is if you're signed in to a Google account, then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and then click on search history. Now you can either just click on saving to web and app activity, and you can choose to turn off the feature that saves your Google search history. So if you click on the turn off button, you can go and press turn off and delete activity, and this will switch off your search history from saving and also delete your previous history as well. Now if you just want to delete your search history, then come back over to the previous page. You can then scroll down and click on delete, and then go and select delete all time. Now make sure everything is selected like this, and then you can just go and press next in order to delete your search history. Now another way to do this is you can also click on the three vertical dots in your browser and you can press delete browsing data from here. You can then click on more and make sure all time is selected, and then just go and press delete from this device, and this will delete all of your browsing history that's saved to this specific device.